Hello and welcome guys. Today we're gonna do an update on the one and only coin that is Sensi. Last video that I have done on it was on the 12th of May, and since then things have gone crazy literally. The last video that I was making was about how I made $11,000 in profit and the market cap was at 13 million. This time, as you can see, market cap is at 57 million, and we are making this video about how I made $50,000 in profit in about 19 days. So just to remind all of you, I have made my purchases on the 26th of April, 29th and 30th, which was right about here when the coin was launching. And since then, you can see the graph has just been steadily growing. On, I believe it was the 6th of May, staking has launched, and a lot of people have been staking their coins. 120 trillion of those coins have been staked, and we have also made our way to CoinGecko. And on 13th of May there was a first edition of exchange, which is Coinsbit, I believe, and you can check all that stuff on the Instagram. And the graph has just been steadily growing. You can see a little bit of dips, but they have just disappeared whenever someone was trying to sell like a large amount. Within an hour that dip was gone, which is just a great advantage. If you want to still get in on the coin, you can buy those dips, but it is at an all-time high now. So if you want to get it on it, maybe you want to wait for a little bit of a dip, maybe you want to get on it now. I'm not sure. I can't give out advice like that. You have to make your own decision. I'm just really happy with the investment I have made, and I want to tell you a little bit more about the coin, where it's going and the future of it. So if you look at the Telegram, I'm going to leave a link in that for that in the description. You can see that on the 13th of May we have been added to an exchange called Coinsbit, and that exchange worked out pretty well. I believe there was a little bit of a surge in price from that, but it's always good when you are adding to new exchanges. And as we are speaking right now, you can see in the Sensible Updates channel, we are voting for another exchange to be added. The developers gave us 4 options, and we have to vote on the best exchange that we think should be added for Sensi, which is just great stuff for the community to engage and for the developers to give us a chance where we want to take this coin. Now, I don't know. I don't actually know any of those exchanges, so I will have to do some research on it. I actually don't know any of those exchanges, so I will have to do some research about it before I vote. I'm not voting right now, and there is also a general channel for sensible finance, which you can find here, and just people talking about the coin, where it's going, what's the plan, what the future. And there is admins and mods just replying on the daily. And if you type /chart, you can see every single information about the coin that you need to know. You can see the chart of the latest price, and within 5 seconds the bot will get us a price, which currently for 1 million tokens it is 23 cents. The market cap is close to 57 million. Circulating supplies, as you can see, 11 trillion of those coins have already been burnt due to transactions. As I have mentioned, 2% of every transaction is getting burnt without any recovery. And you can also see the chart on Bogged Finance, I believe it's called. The website we are viewing right now is called Bogged Finance, and you can see the chart here. At the top you can see the contract. You can use that to buy Sensi for yourself, which you can also do right here. PancakeSwap v2, if you press on that, it's going to open up a PancakeSwap where you can swap your BNB for Sensi if you want to do that. I believe that is how you if you want to do that, there is the option to do so. So I'm gonna leave a link to in the description for the Telegram if you want to guys check it out. I believe this is the best way to get in touch with admins or mods if you have any serious questions about the stability of the coin, the future, the tokenomics, anything. They're gonna answer it straight away if you have any doubts about it, but it has been growing like crazy within 4 days from 13 million market cap to all the way to 57, and it's just the beginning. The coin has been out for like 20 days or something like that. So the next big update that we are waiting for is smart staking. As I have mentioned on the website, we can see a little bit about smart staking. And I know what you are wondering to yourself, millennial investor, is it too late to get on Sensi currently? And I believe the answer is no. I believe it's still a good time to get on Sensi, as we are still waiting for a pretty huge update, which is smart staking. This is going to be the unique selling point of sensible finance. I already mentioned this in the last video, but just to go over it quickly, we can see that the main aim of this project is to yield to create a just to go over it really quickly, we can see that the main aim of this project is to create easy, fast, and automatic yield farms portfolio. What does that mean? That means you can use your BNB to stake in the farm, get up to 3% daily yield, and get paid out in Sensi. That means that a lot more coins are going to be added in, transferred into Sensi, and with that, a lot more Sensi is going to be burned. The supply is going to be lower, but the demand might be higher due to smart staking. Therefore, the price is going to keep increasing as long as there is nothing like extreme happening around the coin. So that is what we are waiting for. Smart staking should be released at the end of May, maybe early June. We can see here that on the roadmap it says May, June 2021. They want to get it done as quickly as they can, but obviously they don't want to release something that is crap. So we are still waiting for some more information about that. As soon the first version of staking of Sensi will be coming to an end on the 20th of May. We might see some sales in that period, 20th of May, 21st of May, which might be a good time to get in on the coin on some dips if those do happen. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for the YouTube algorithm. If you are in on Sensi, or if you're planning to get into on Sensi, make sure to write a comment down below. And if you want to make And if you want to see more videos like that, then just write me down a comment as well, and I'll see you in the next one.